Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is growing population, problems and solutions. Overpopulation is a result of the rapid growth of the world's population over the past 100 years. Population increase results from a difference between the rate of birth and the rate of death. There are many problems caused by overpopulation, such as shortage of living space, pressure on health facilities, water shortage, unemployment, and many more. All these factors and problems affect the people's living standard. Population can be controlled by reducing birth rate like China. And other solutions are improving education and literacy and educating girls. And next one is making birth control method is also the solution of overpopulation. In this diagram, you may see above 5 are the causes of overpopulation and down 5 are the effects of overpopulation. Causes of overpopulation are decline in death rate, advanced medicine increased life expectancy, fertility treatment technology accounts for increased births, lack of family planning, and poor contraceptive uses. And the effects of overpopulation are food shortage, starvation, increased risk of spreading diseases, unemployment, disappearance of non-renewable resources, and environmental damage. Here are two questions for you. Define the term overpopulation. Overpopulation is defined as the number of people in an area that exceeds the capacity of the environment to support life at a decent standard of living. इट्स मीन कि जब एक एरिया में लोगों की तादाद बढ़ जाए तो बहुत सारे मसाइल पैदा हो जाते हैं, जिसके लिए उनके लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड जो होता है वो डिक्रीज़ हो जाता है। जैसे उनके रहाइश के मसाइल पैदा हो जाते हैं, उनके लिए खाने पीने की अशिया की फराहमी की कमी हो जाती है, और इसी तरह की बेरोज़गारी बढ़ जाती है, और इसी तरह के बहुत सारे मसाइल पैदा हो जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से लोगों के लिए अपना जो स्टैंडर्ड है, लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड, वो मेंटेन करना मुश्किल हो जाता है। सो ये सारे असबाब जो होते हैं ओवर पॉपुलेशन की वजह से पैदा होते हैं। And the question number 2 is write 2 lines on each of the problems caused by overpopulation. Number 1 is shortage of resources में कमी हो जाती है. Overpopulation increases demand for food, water and energy. This leads to scarcity and unequal distribution of basic necessities. And number 2 is unemployment. जैसे कि आपको तो पहले बताया गया, इससे क्या होता है, overpopulation से बेरोज़गारी बढ़ जाती है. Too many people compete for limited job opportunities. This results in poverty and low standards of living. And number 3 is pressure on health care and education. सेहत और तालीम के मसाइल का भी सामना करना पड़ता है. Hospitals and schools become overcrowded due to high population. Quality of health services and education decreases. And number 4 is water shortage. ओवर पॉपुलेशन का एक और सबब भी बनता है, जिसकी वजह से पानी की कमी हो जाती है. ओवर पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीजेज द डिमांड फॉर क्लीन वाटर. दिस लीड्स safe drinking water for many people.